Got a new iPhone and want to transfer your contacts to your new device? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer contacts from your old iPhone to a new one. If you've already set up your new iPhone or want to start fresh with this new device but still want to transfer your contact list, here's how. To transfer your contacts from your old iPhone, open the Contacts app on your old device. Tap Lists at the top. Then hold down an existing list that contains your saved contacts. Tap Export. To ensure all data gets transferred, tap Select All fields. Then tap Done. Now you can share this exported list via AirDrop, messages, email, or another method of your choice. I'll be using AirDrop. When airdropping, the list of contacts will automatically open on your new iPhone. Tap Add All Contacts to import your contact list to your new device. That's all it takes to transfer your contacts list from your old iPhone to your new one. For more helpful iPhone tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.